If I try all my life, not this life, but millions of life, millions of years, to become a true ummati and follower, how a follower should be, how an ummati should be, if I try all my life and I'm given millions of years of life, I would not be able to become anywhere near there. So I am just trying to become a true follower, a true ummati, which Rasulullah accept. For example, he said, yes, this is my ummati. For example, he said, Man ghasha falaysa minna. Whoever is a fraudster, he is not in my ummah. Man lam, whoever does not honor our elderly, he is not amongst us. He is not from my ummah. The one who does not have compassion upon the young, he is not in my ummah. He is not from me. فَمَنْ رَغِبَ عَنْ سُنَّتِي فَلَيْسَ مِنِّي. Whoever does not follow my sunnah, he is not actually from me. He is not the true ummati. So when I have weaknesses like this even, so all my life I try to actually be a true ummati. I won't be able to come, but I will keep on trying. So Allah out of His fazl just accept, okay, this person I've been trying, although he has not become, I forgive him and bless him out of fazl and grace. And Rasulullah says on Day of Judgment, yes, he has not become the true ummati, but he's been trying. I accept him, as least he accepts he is not, and he's been trying. That is a big credit.